Well, ganun naman siguro Sir Andrei, parang when you love someone, you try to love them fully. So, palagi.
Maga parang ibibigay mo ng buo, wala kang ititira. Ganun.
Something like
Lahat tayo naging anak. Naitatago ba talaga sa atin yung nangyayaring problema sa mga magulang?
Sa akin naman, Sir MJ, parang you always try to not take negative things or negative side na nakikita mo sa parents mo. Pero consciously while growing up, parang nagagawa mo in a way. So, what I really like doing is, or try is really focusing on myself and looking within. Kasi parang ang hirap mag-ayos ng iba kapag hindi mo pa naayos yung sarili mo or kapag alam mong hindi ayos yung sarili mo.
Nalinlang sa pag-ibig.
I'm the same with Kim. Parang nangyari sa akin a long time ago. I was young and she was young and marami naman ako natutunan doon. And thankful na rin ako na nangyari sa akin. And I had to experience it.
Pao, nabulag na sa pag-ibig. Yi, sabi mo na love is blind ka na noon.
Well, ganun naman siguro Sir Andrei, parang when you love someone, you try to love them fully. So, palagi.
Maga parang ibibigay mo ng buo, wala kang ititira. Ganun.
Something like
Something like that. Something like that.
Do you ever justify a panlilinlang?
the way I see it, sir, parang ano yan eh. If you look at it in black and white, it's right or wrong. Dalawa naman yan. It's wrong or it's right. In this case, it's always wrong. Lalo na it's a married couple. Pero yung problema nga po dyan, parang ang daming in-betweens kasi. Ang daming nangyayari in between those rights and wrongs. In between the person, you and the person you love. So in some cases it's situational, but when boiling it down to its core, it's always wrong.